Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer SB-30, Small Batch 30, and Maniology M357. I'll also be using this new Maniology Calcium Rich Blushing Base Coat that came with my tier gifts from Maniology. And I wish I'd used the white milky base, but I wanted to use both of them. I want to use everything that they sent me in quick succession. Hi Woody, how you doing? Show off the things that they have over at their website. And here is SB-30 from Bases Loaded Lacquer. This one is such a pretty acrylic, and it will look better after I get past this first coat. It's kind of looking a little, it's pulling that blushing base coat through, so it's looking a little funky, but it'll be okay. It'll be all right. Hi Woody, how you doing? And I really do like these base coats. They went on smooth, dried quick, and you know, if they help blur and fix some issues we may be having, then I'm all for that. Look at my free edge here, a little bitty free edge there. All right, I am going to do a third coat. I think if I'd have used the white, milky white base coat, I would have only had to do two, but here we are. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this third coat, and we'll get started on this. I love this. This Crelly is so cute. It's adorable. I'll be topping it with I&Ms out the door. Let me get this to dry down so we can play. Now you can't quite see it from this angle or view unless you're watching this on a huge TV, which just freaks me out. It's got little bitty tiny glitters in it, little pink and blue glitters. It's so cute. And there we have our swatch photo, Maniology M357. This is another thing out of my tier gifts that I got. And we're going to get this blue film off of it. Now this plate should have said, this plate was made for Tina MOONBABYNAILS, because this swirly twirly stuff is my jam. Another thing out of the box. This is Flotsam. And it is a stamping polish, and we're going to use it today. I got my cube stamper out and a little Maniology scraper. Now, if you've watched my videos for like any amount of time, you've probably picked up on, I love swirly twirly images. I love circles and swirls and swishes and all that kind of stuff. I struggle when I have to do like triangles and squares and, you know, rectangles and things. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know why. It's just, that's how I am. So we're using Flotsam today and stamping out just as many of these images as we can. And they're coming out beautiful. The images are picking up great. Oh, and by the way, I'm cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller. And when I get around to cleaning this plate, I will be using acetone and a cotton ball, just in case I forget. Now this one, I think I had something on my nail, something oily, that made part of it not stick up near the cuticle, above the dark blue swish. But I decided, you know what, it's fine. It'll be okay. Not fine in a bad way. You know, I'm not redoing it, I can tell you. So here we go with another image. And y'all will probably see this plate a lot. Now, these weren't like exclusive just to Maniology ambassadors. They're, you know, these are plates that when they've just got the M in front of them, just M and then a number, that means that's something that they're selling on their website. So you guys, if you see something you like, you should be able to get out there and grab it, unless it's out of stock temporarily. So keep that in mind. See, I like getting that mat out of my way. There we go. Stamp it down, girl. So there we go. We're going to clean this stamping plate off with some acetone. And that little stick that's holding the cotton ball is called a cotton claw. They come in many forms. Many different places have sold them in different variations. Oh, and my new thing, I save these old jars and I'm putting my yucky, stinky stuff down in it. It's helping Mr. Moonbaby not complain as much about the stank. So, you know, it's not always okay to have the window open, so storing that stuff in there is really helping. Did the little tape trick and got some excess off my skin. And now we're going to go in with a little bit of acetone. I dip down in the acetone with my brush and then dab it on my paper towel. And then go after that nail. Then I wipe it on the paper towel before I dip back in again and dab it on the paper towel again. And this is how I always do it. Normally that's off camera. You don't see that. I thought I'd share. So here we go with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. Oh, and they sent me some more smudge-free top coat and some of the sticky base. Some of my favorites. And now we are topping this with the Seche Vite. Nice, glossy, thick, quick drying top coat. Something that was a game changer for the nail world. And there we have it. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.